got the Bentley in.
We have it's called in Los Angeles.
We just got done with the Wraith, all nice and cleaned up, ready to go back to the customer. We're here at the Ritz. Take it back to valet.
This Wraith as well, inside and out. So that's our maintenance package.
You guys want to see stars?
Taken care of.
There you go. And we also got the Bentley up here. This was a last minute inquiry, so we have to upcharge them for the time that we're gonna go ahead and spend on this car. Instead of heading over to our customer, we charge them double, so
topped off.
Ain't no biggie to them.
And then that adds protection to the vehicle. Crucial.
We got the Bentley all dialed
As
in.
you can see, finished product.
We did a paint sealing on this one. Got the rims all taken care of.
Windows
Deep clean.
Interiors fully vacuumed.
Full interior wipe down. Took care of all the shiny accents that are on the vehicle, as well as the screen.
Each vehicle, we try to go in and strive for perfection. These vehicles come with a lot of high-end accents, so we go ahead and take care of them, wipe them down. A lot of chrome, so it is tedious work. But as you can see, the finish is flawless. Bentley vehicle. Now it's time to take it back. Beautiful gray finish on this vehicle. It is PPF, so it's easier to work with. It is ceramic coated as well, so that's a plus for us.